Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. As you can see, I finally tried the famous bubble braids on my 4C hair, no added hair, and I absolutely love how this style turned out, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos, and without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So I've gone ahead and done the back of my hair just to kind of practice and make sure that I knew what I was doing. Now I'm going to show you guys what I do with the front. This video is very detailed, so I'm covering everything so that you guys will have a very good idea of how to do the hairstyle. So I am using rubber thread. You guys know whenever I do threading, I always use the other thread, that's the one on the left. But for the first time, I am using rubber thread on my channel, and I decided to use rubber thread as opposed to elastic bands because this is much safer and easier to take out. You guys know when it comes to my hair, whatever that will cause me breakage, I avoid it like a plague. So I'm cutting the rubber thread into tiny little pieces, as you can see, and that is what I'm going to use to form the bubbles in my hair. So basically, since I already did the back, I kind of already have an idea of the length that I'm using for the little pieces. So I'm going to use one of the sections I already cut as a gauge, as a guide, and then cut the rubber thread. So I advise you to prepare a lot of little pieces like this before you start. It just makes things go much faster. Trust me on that. So make sure that you prepare plenty pieces before you start doing your hair. Depending on the length of your hair, I used about 10 pieces. Yeah, about 10 pieces per section. So it just depends on the length of your hair. You're also going to be using a little of this other thread, just a little, and that is for the roots area. This is what we're going to use to start the section at the roots. So just a little piece. You also want to prepare a lot of these as well. I had 40 sections in my hair, so I did 40 of those pieces. Now, time to moisturize. I'm going to be using my Uncle Funky's Daughter products. This is their Ultimate Curly Girl Kit that has all their moisturizing products. It's one of their best sellers. If you're new to the brand, I always advise people to buy this kit. It has Thirsty Curl, Super Curl, Midnight Train, Extra Butter, all their moisturizers and leave-in sprays. It also contains Curly Magic, which is their gel, so you can try different combinations of the products to see what works best for your hair. Normally, for my hair, when it's colder, I usually use Extra Butter and Thirsty Curl, and when it's warmer, I usually use Super Curl and Thirsty Curl together. The products smell amazing. Thirsty Curl just soaks into my hair. It's a leave-in spray, and Super Curl, as you guys can see, is a very soft moisturizer that has a good oil content as well, so you don't even need to add an extra oil step when you use the Super Curl. The products literally just soak into your hair, soften your hair, and the moisture lasts. You guys know I've been loyal to Uncle Funky's Daughter for years. This is one of my favorite brands, hands down. So you want to let the product soak in after you apply. And now we are about to start doing our bubble braids. So first, I'm going to be blowing out my hair a bit because I really wanted to stretch my hair out a little for this style. I'm going to be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection Heat Primer. Yes, Uncle Funky's Daughter also has a thermal heat protection line that they came out with recently. So I'm going to spray that in my hair. It's a good heat protectant primer. And I'm just going to use a blow dryer to lightly stretch out my hair. My hair is 4C, so it shrinks a lot. So I really wanted to stretch it out a bit before I started doing the bubble braids. This primer also makes your hair feel super soft and smooth. Can you see the shine in my hair as well? Very healthy shine. So now I'm taking the small piece of thread that we prepared. Like I said, I did 40 of those little pieces because I have 40 sections in my hair. And you're just going to twist the roots. So we're going to start how we usually start our regular African threading. Just twist the roots. Take your thread and wrap the thread around the roots. Use your finger to hold it down and start wrapping. Make sure you wrap it firmly but not tight. I always say please do not put too much tension on your scalp. Whenever I do my hairstyles, there is no tension on my scalp at all. So when you get to about this much left of the thread, you're going to hold it down. Take a clip and hold the end of the thread and your hair down. Now we're going to be taking these little rubber thread pieces that we cut previously, and we're simply just going to be tying on top of the clip to form the bubbles. You want to tie it about 4 times. So tie it, turn it around, tie it from the other side, turn it around, tie it again. I did it 4 times just to make sure that it was very secure. Tie it again, and then take out the clip, and you have formed your first bubble. So we're just going to be doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. Oh yes, you want to take a pair of scissors and cut off the extra end of the rubber thread. But that's basically it. So we're just going to do the same thing over and over and over again for each section. So again, I'm taking the clip to hold my hair, and then I'm gonna tie the rubber thread around to form the bubble. Like I said, I chose to use rubber thread as opposed to elastic bands because one, I do my hair myself, so I wanted something that would be much easier for me to take out and wouldn't cause me breakage. If I'd used rubber bands, that would have been very difficult for me to take out, especially at the back, and I might have ended up cutting my hair. So I just use rubber thread that would be easy for me to take out. And two, elastic bands usually like roll around your hair and can cause breakage. Rubber thread doesn't do that. So yeah, like I said, you just keep tying the rubber thread around your hair to form the bubbles, and then cut off the excess ends of the rubber thread. So I've done this section. I have I think about 10 to 11 bubbles or so. Now I'm also going to show you guys what I do at the ends to secure my hair and put the beads on. Like I said, this video is very detailed. So you're going to take this thread again. This time you're going to do a longer length of it. Again, prepare plenty pieces. So this is the end. What I'm going to do is take the thread, hold it down, and start to wrap it around the end. Wrap it around. Then when I've wrapped it around and it's kind of secure, I'm going to lay down, like flatten the ends of the rubber thread. I didn't cut those ends. I'm actually going to wrap them into the thread. That just kind of gives extra reinforcement and protection to your ends. So now that I'm done wrapping the thread around, I'm going to put the beads on. I got all my beads from AliExpress. It's actually cheaper to get these beads on AliExpress than in the beauty supply store. And then I am just simply going to wrap it around like this and just do one simple easy knot that will be easy to take out. And that is it. That is how you do the bubble threads, and that is how you secure the ends. So right now I'm just gonna keep doing my hair and finish up the rest. Like I said, I had 40 sections in total, so yeah, just depends on the length and thickness of your hair. Obviously, depending on the length and volume of your hair, the style will look a little differently, but you can always go ahead and add extra hair. Actually, the first time I saw this hairstyle, I saw it with someone using like Marley hair to do the hairstyle. I just decided to try it on my own hair with just my hair, but this is a hairstyle that people usually add in hair for, so you can definitely do that if you want. And please, if you have any questions about the process, definitely ask me down below. If there was anything I didn't explain properly, let me know and I'll try my best to explain in the comment section. So like I said, for the ends, I don't cut the rubber thread at the ends. I just wrap it into my hair, and that gives extra protection to the ends of my hair. So for this section, we're going to do flat twist there. Now, I wanted my flat twist to be at the side of my hair, so I'm just doing the sections. So I'm keeping that out of the way. That section is going to have the regular bubble braids. We're not flat twisting that section. So this is the section we're going to flat twist. So I'm going to do 4 flat twists there. So I'm going to split it into 2 first. And then I'm going to split that one into 2. So now we have our first 2 flat twist sections, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my flat twists. Okay, so now I'm going to split that other side into 2 again. Flat twists, and now we have my 4 flat twists, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna keep that out of the way. Then we're gonna finish up with the bubble braids Yeah, so we're gonna finish up that section. I'm gonna be doing 3 of my bubble braids there. Blow it out first and then start doing the bubbles. This is going to be one of my summer hairstyles. You guys know I've been doing a lot of hairstyles recently that I'm going to be rocking this summer. My hair is going to be on point. Anywhere you see me, my hair will be on point this summer. Oh my god. So now time to do the sides. So we're going to be joining 2 sections together like this. So basically twist 2 flat twisted sections together. And then we're going to be doing the bubbles. So again, take the thread to wrap the roots. And then put the clip and start doing the bubbles. The same thing you did on the other sections of your hair. The only difference is that we joined 2 flat twists together. So just the same thing. Use the clip to hold the hair. Use the rubber thread to do the bubbles. And then cut off the excess ends of the rubber thread. And then put the beads at the ends. And that is basically it. That is how I did this hairstyle. You guys have been rocking this hairstyle. It's actually a very low maintenance hairstyle. Let me know if you guys want me to do a maintenance video. I've been rocking this hairstyle for over a week now and I've gotten so many compliments on it. I go to the gym about 4 to 5 times a week and I actually wear it out and everything, and the hairstyle still looks really, really good. And there are also so many styling options as well. So this is about 4 or 5 days later. You guys know whenever I do my hairstyles, I film the outro days later because I am lazy. But this is one of the products that I've been using to maintain my hair and keep it fresh and keeping my scalp healthy. Is Defunk, which is a scalp refresher tonic from Uncle Funky's daughter that smells amazing. Uncle Funky's daughter products smell so good. Like, they just smell so good. So I just use this to spray on my scalp like every other day. And like I said, I work out, so this really comes in handy. I usually take this with me to the gym. So yeah, especially on the days when I'm doing cardio, I'm going to be sweating a lot. I just spray this on my roots, let it soak in, and it just keeps your scalp very, very fresh. Again, all the products I use are from Uncle Funky's daughter. You can definitely get them on their website, unclefunkysdaughter.com, and use my code West African Baby for 15% off. Also, Defunk and the Heat Protectant Primer are now in Target. I'm going to put the links down below for where you can get everything, so don't worry. Let me know if you guys want me to do a maintenance and styling video as well. So yeah, this is the finished look. Absolutely love how this thing turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on the screen. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.